Hello and welcome to this introduction to plant biology, where we will explore the fascinating world of plant cells, tissues, and organs. Plants are essential for sustaining life on Earth. They provide oxygen, food, and shelter for many living organisms, including humans. In fact, plants are the primary producers in the food chain, converting energy from the sun into organic matter that is consumed by other organisms. At the cellular level, plants have many unique features that set them apart from animals. They have cell walls made of cellulose, specialized organelles such as chloroplasts, and vacuoles that store water and other substances. Additionally, plants have developed specialized tissues and organs that enable them to carry out essential biological processes such as photosynthesis, nutrient absorption, and reproduction. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive overview of plant biology, covering the basics of cells, tissues, and organs. By the end of the video, you will have a better understanding of the unique features and functions of plant life, and an appreciation for the important role that plants play in our ecosystem. So, let's dive into the fascinating world of plant biology and discover the amazing structures and functions that enable plants to thrive in a wide range of environments. Let's delve deeper into plant cells and explore their unique features and functions. A plant cell is a eukaryotic cell that is enclosed by a cell wall made of cellulose. This rigid cell wall provides structural support and protection to the plant. Inside the cell wall, there is a plasma membrane that regulates the movement of materials in and out of the cell. One of the most unique features of plant cells is chloroplasts, specialized organelles that carry out photosynthesis. Chloroplasts contain pigments such as chlorophyll that absorb light energy and convert it into chemical energy in the form of sugars. This process is essential for the plant's survival as it produces the food that the plant needs to grow and develop. Plant cells also have large central vacuoles that occupy most of the cell's volume. These vacuoles are responsible for storing water and other substances such as ions, enzymes, and waste products. They play a crucial role in maintaining the turgor pressure of the cell, which helps to keep the plant upright. Other organelles found in plant cells include mitochondria, which are responsible for cellular respiration and energy production, and endoplasmic reticulum, which is involved in the synthesis and transport of proteins and lipids. In terms of functions, plant cells are responsible for many essential processes such as photosynthesis, respiration, and nutrient absorption. They also play a vital role in maintaining the structure and stability of the plant, as well as protecting it from environmental stressors. Understanding the unique features and functions of plant cells is crucial for gaining insights into the workings of the natural world and appreciating the vital role that plants play in our ecosystem. Plant tissues are groups of cells that work together to carry out specific functions. There are three main types of plant tissues: epidermal, ground, and vascular. Epidermal tissue is the outermost layer of cells that covers the surface of leaves, stems, and roots. It is usually a single layer of cells and provides a protective barrier against physical damage and pathogens. It also helps to reduce water loss through transpiration by secreting a waxy layer called the cuticle. Epidermal cells can also produce hairs or trichomes that protect against herbivores or extreme weather conditions. Ground tissue is found throughout the plant and is responsible for photosynthesis, storage of nutrients, and support. It's made up of different types of cells such as parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma, each with their unique functions. Parenchyma cells are involved in photosynthesis, storage, and regeneration of plant tissues. Collenchyma cells provide flexible support to young parts of the plant, such as leaves and stems. Sclerenchyma cells provide rigid support and protection to the plant, for example, by forming the hard shells of nuts and seeds. Vascular tissue is responsible for the transport of water, minerals, and sugars throughout the plant. It's made up of two main types of cells, xylem and phloem. Xylem cells transport water and minerals from the roots to the rest of the plant, and they are characterized by their thick, lignified walls. Phloem cells transport sugars from the leaves to other parts of the plant, and they have a more flexible structure. The cells in xylem and phloem tissues are arranged in tubes or vessels that form continuous networks throughout the plant. Each type of plant tissue has a specific function that is critical to the plant's survival. Epidermal tissue protects the plant from environmental stressors, ground tissue provides support and storage, and vascular tissue transports essential nutrients and water. The complex interplay between these tissues is what allows plants to grow and thrive in a wide range of environments. Understanding the functions of plant tissues is essential for gaining insights into the workings of the natural world and appreciating the vital role that plants play in our ecosystem. Plant organs are specialized structures made up of different types of tissues that work together to carry out specific functions. There are several types of plant organs, but the most well-known are the roots, stems, and leaves. Roots anchor the plant in the soil and absorb water and nutrients. They come in different shapes and sizes, depending on the plant species and the type of soil they grow in. Roots can be taproots, which grow vertically downward, or fibrous roots, which spread out horizontally. The root cap, located at the tip of the root, protects the delicate growing tissues and secretes lubricating substances to help the root push through the soil. The root hairs, which are extensions of the epidermal cells, increase the surface area of the root, allowing for better absorption of water and nutrients. Stems support the plant and transport water and nutrients between the roots and leaves. They come in different shapes and sizes, depending on the plant species and the environment they grow in. Stems can be herbaceous or woody, and they can be modified for different purposes such as climbing, storing water, or reproducing. The stem is also the site of branching, where new leaves, flowers, or stems can grow. Leaves are the primary site of photosynthesis and are responsible for producing food for the plant. They come in different shapes and sizes, depending on the plant species and the environment they grow in. Leaves can be simple, with one blade, or compound, with several leaflets attached to a single stalk. The blade of the leaf is where photosynthesis takes place, and it contains specialized cells called chloroplasts that contain pigments such as chlorophyll. The petiole is the stalk that attaches the leaf to the stem, and it contains vascular tissues that transport water and nutrients to and from the leaf. Each type of plant organ has a specific function that is critical to the plant's survival. Roots absorb water and nutrients, stems support the plant and transport essential substances, and leaves carry out photosynthesis and produce food. Understanding the functions of plant organs is essential for gaining insights into the workings of the natural world and appreciating the vital role that plants play in our ecosystem. As we come to the end of this video, let's summarize the main points we've covered. We've explored the fascinating world of plant biology, starting with the structure and functions of plant cells, and moving on to the different types of plant tissues and organs. We've learned about the unique features of plant cells, such as chloroplasts and cell walls, and the functions of the three main types of plant tissues: epidermal, ground, and vascular. We've also examined the functions of the most well-known plant organs: roots, stems, and leaves. Studying plant biology is essential for gaining insights into the workings of the natural world and appreciating the vital role that plants play in our ecosystem. From producing oxygen to providing food and shelter for many living organisms, plants are crucial to the health and well-being of our planet. If you're interested in learning more about the fascinating world of plants, there are many resources available to you. You can read books, watch documentaries, visit botanical gardens, or even take courses in plant biology. The more we learn about plants, the more we can appreciate their beauty and importance in our world. Thank you for watching, and I hope this introduction to plant biology has sparked your curiosity and inspired you to learn more. If you're interested in learning even more about plant biology, here's a bonus section that covers some additional plant organs and their functions. Flowers are the reproductive structures of many plant species. They are responsible for producing seeds, which are essential for the survival of the plant species. Flowers come in different shapes, sizes, and colors, and they often have a distinct scent that attracts pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and birds. The male and female reproductive structures are usually located in different parts of the flower, and they come together during pollination to produce a seed. Fruits are the mature ovaries of flowering plants. They are responsible for protecting and dispersing seeds, as well as attracting animals to eat them and spread the seeds. Fruits come in different shapes, sizes, and flavors, and they can be either fleshy or dry. Some examples of fleshy fruits are apples, oranges, and berries, while some examples of dry fruits are nuts, grains, and legumes. Seeds are the reproductive units of plants, and they are responsible for producing new plants. Seeds are typically composed of three main parts: the embryo, the endosperm, and the seed coat. The embryo is the young plant that will grow into a new individual. The endosperm is the source of nutrients for the embryo, and the seed coat is the protective layer that surrounds the embryo and endosperm. If you're interested in learning more about plant biology, there are many resources available to you. You can read books, watch documentaries, visit botanical gardens, or even take courses in plant biology. The more we learn about plants, the more we can appreciate their beauty and importance in our world. Thank you for watching, and I hope this bonus section has given you a deeper understanding of the fascinating world of plant biology.